About a 227 out of Cocoa Beach, Florida. This is 169 Wisconsin trying. About at 139 Florida. This is 169 Wisconsin trying.
169 Wisconsin, security checking in there. 139 down to all sides and receiving, over.
Roger, 139 down there in Florida. You're making a good trip up here, but I got a lot less locals and other traffic here messing with me, so it's just you and me on the band right now.
I tell you what, I did hear you out there. Kind of lost you a little bit to 139 Florida. I definitely appreciate the work there. You have a good day out here. 139 Florida.
All right, 73s to you, 139 down there in Florida. Nice talking to you. Y'all have a good week coming up now. 169. I'll be back on the side listening. And I'm going to go to a non-channel and show you the sine wave on my oscilloscope here. I've got it hooked up with a it's an old solenoid with a hollow center core, and this morning I made a new jumper cable for my coax. Before I put the PL259 on one end, I put that little slug of wire that used to be a solenoid over the wire, and then put the PL259 on there, and now I've got it hooked up to my oscilloscope, and when I transmit, you can see the sine wave that the audio wave shows on the oscilloscope there. When you set it right, I've got it set to 0.2 volts at 2 milliseconds is what it takes to get that nice pattern there when I talk. Yeah. Let me get the squelch down. So I can hear. And okay, let me I'm gonna back the camera up, and I'll get this piece of coax and my okay, this is my antenna switch here. Although I've got it hooked up to 2 radios, and then this is the antenna wire coming out right now. And let me adjust this camera a little bit better here. Okay, this is the switch. These 2 coaxes, this one goes to the Yaesu 101, this goes to the 757. This one here goes to another antenna switch on my wall that goes out to my 3 antennas. So I can switch between radios here, and then I can switch between antennas on the one up on the wall. Okay, so right here, this is my connection to if you can see that there, this is my connection to the oscilloscope over here, right there, channel 1. 2 alligator clips, and then what you got is these 2 really hair fine wires. They're finer than a human hair, and a diode in between it. And I have no idea what the solenoid was for, but down here you can see the hole that it's got in it. And this is the coax that I put on, made this jumper this morning. It's just an old piece of junk. But you saw how it works. It picks up my transmitting voice very fine. You saw that. And now I want to show you something else here. Okay, it also picks up this big coil of wire here. It's, you know, it's a little bit fatter than my thumb, and I don't know, there must be a quarter or a half mile of wire wrapped around there, so it's pretty sensitive. It's picking up everything going through the coax, going out and coming into my radios. So let me show you what the how this works on receive. And okay, okay, what I've done here is I've got my scope. I've got a Tektronix 2247A, and I've got it set for normal right here. Well, and then I've turned down the level. Let's see if I turn up the level and take it off of normal, and then the line comes back. So putting it on normal and adjusting the level will shut that line off and save my screen. So it'll only come on when I key up and talk. Okay, now you see the line here. I got the hiccups now. Okay, let me turn the intensity up on the readout so you can see it a little better. And I'll turn the intensity up on the line. Okay, now I'm going to turn the voltage down. I'm at 2.2 volts for the transmit, and you can see the line's getting fatter. And okay, I at 2 millivolts, and then I come over here to the milliseconds. And if you set it right in there, I don't know if the camera will pick it up good enough or not, but okay, let me go back to 385 here, and we'll see if anybody's talking. Probably no such luck. There's that old fool out in California talking now. So. But this thing is so sensitive, it will pick up a receive coming down the antenna, the microvolts in the antenna, and going through my coax into my radio. Isn't that amazing? Now let's try and change. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you there, and just wanted to show you what you can do for free, Roger.